Let's say that you want your body to be a perfect shape, muscular, let's say, for men or whatever, but you don't want to do any exercise.
Usually, the I don't want to do something causes enough resistance that your thoughts are not flowing purely.
Well, let me phrase it differently. Let's say I decide I want to have that experience. I'm not interested in doing physical exercise to do it. I'm just going to do it through thought. I believe that I can do it through thought. Is there any reason why you can't do that?
No reason whatsoever. There's all sorts of evidence of that. In other words, there are a lot of people that perform the same physical interaction that get very different results. There have been several studies done where a basketball team, for example, has been monitored, where one practices throwing the ball through the basket and one visualizes it and one does neither. And there are many studies. In other words, that study has been done on many occasions where they find that the visualization is every bit as effective as the actual physical going through the motions. Actually, we would say the best combination is to visualize it and then enjoy the action of it. There is nothing more delicious than visualizing something and then being inspired to the action. The reason most of you resist action, and we heard a little of that from you just a moment ago, the reason that most of you resist action is because most of you have been doing action without energy flow. In other words, you've been flowing your energy one way and trying to compensate it through action. So you don't get very good results and you get really tired. There's a lot of resistance and then you get discouraged, you see. But when you take action on the heels of having flowed energy, then your action is actually delicious and you find yourself seeking it, not resisting.